Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you the HP Pro Mini 260 G9 desktop PC upgrade option. So this is the unit, front side look, USB-C and two USB port and a headphone jack combo, power button. This one is a i5 processor PC, HP Mini. This is the backside ports, display port, HDMI and three USB port, one serial port and one more USB and RJ45 and power connection. This is the only one screw you need to open to upgrade. So this is a screwdriver needed to open the screw. Let's open the one. Going to open now. So this processor is i5 and 8 GB RAM, 512 GB M.2 NVMe. So after removing the screw, you need to push. So the case, the front side you need to push. So once you open the screw, so see there is a gap. So this cap will come. So I'm going to use the two hands to show you. So like this, you need to push. So the cap will come out. It has a one NVMe by default M.2, CPU fan. So under this fan there is a memory slot. Open slowly. So no need to any screw, just only the lift it up to memory slot and one M.2 NVMe here. So I will zoom in. What is the speed of memory? You can see this one is a 3200 DDR4. So one more slot is here to upgrade. This is a Wi-Fi chip. So these are the internal parts in mini PC. So RAM is upgradable and only one M.2 NVMe comes with a 512. So let's close the unit. That's it. We close the cap. Push from the front side. So I'm going to fix the screw back. So this is the option. So you can upgrade the memory and you can upgrade SSD also M.2 NVMe in this mini PC. So in the description I'm going to upload the specification and full model number of this model with the part number. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.